Hello everybody, and this may or may not be uploaded into YouTube. Yes, that's it. It's dependent completely on if I can or cannot make the brightness lower. So if you see this, ta-da, it's probably around this bright, but right now it's like you can't see anything. It's just completely bright. So if you have any suggestions, please tell me. I was looking at the goddamn phone. I never knew this, considering I've never basically played. Open up.
Oh, I've had the rock which you put in the finger.
You so incredibly different.
I need to find the cattle bar.
I'm going to restart real quick then. We're going to be burning down this whole entire goddamn building, blowing it up.
Oh my god,
setting a T-Rex. Basically, just what the hell you want to do. I have completely unfurnished the whole building, otherwise it'll be way too glitchy if a fire happens. So, you can probably tell now. Nothing. There would be like that there, chairs, tables, everything. So yeah. I just need, I think here would be a good area to start a fire. Then just go. Started right? And yeah. And now we have to act like we're fire brigade people and blah 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 blah. But of course it'll take like 2 or 3 minutes, so oh god damn! Of course scrolling down will probably take a minute. Right? Maybe. Emergency vehicles. Why is a fire truck fire free? Like, you get what I mean? Like, surely it should be fire resistant fire truck. And I'm probably going to do like a Dino video tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, it's probably going to be like a 10-minute video either way this is. Oh yeah, it's my last. Oh yeah, my last video is on the front page of Path of Titans thingy. Why am I driving through it? That's just dumb. We need to get to the goddamn fire, so we're driving through the whole building, causing a bunch of destruction. We're in a random room now. Thank you. Realistically, I could be a cheat and just. I'm about.
Oh, I got a water pump.
Right, there you go. I got lectures from people. Get off!
Oh my god, I'm missed.
I'm through me. What? Nothing whatsoever happened. I actually don't know if you found that fun, just ripping the doors off their hinges. Yeah, I've already got like 12-ish. Let me in! Ta-da! Or of course, if you want to, you guys. It should realistically be 2 hinge points there. And there. They should be the 2 hinge points. There, I guess, yeah. So just there and there. So here and here. And so here or here. There. Wait, goddamn, there's a fire! Go down! Oh my god, how did I find? There we go.
Nah, I know what you're doing. You did it.
Oh my.
Nothing.
Is this the fire area? I'm just realising I'm making the fire go better. Probably going to do this watching video or something. But like oh, it's a completely wrong segment. I'm pretty sure I started it somewhere around here, right? Well, how's this fire? You can't really hide. It's a fire. I think I've located the fire.
Oh, this is a crazy.
Did you guys also see that yellow? That? What the hell is that? Does that mean it's behind? Where the hell is this fire? Nah, I give up. I'm setting the whole building. Why is the building fireproof? There we go. Now I have to slow and painfully walk up all the stairs. No, actually, what the hell is that? Oh, sunset apparently. Remember, right there. Ah, save me! Anyway. Run! Oh, I came in way too late.
Wait, it's like an unnormalizing fire.
Would have been late or early.
Oh, wait, back up. Wait, I'm going to... Let's not
No.
Here, take these bandages.
Let me in. I will. Oh, thank you.
Oh my god, Wolf, that was nasty. Don't worry, Wolf, I got him.
Mate.
Oh, I got a higher knife rank. Oh, there's a guy here. Oh my god, everyone's here. This is where all the players are at. This is where all the pro gamers are. Oh my god, you got dodge. Oh my god, you've got...
No, get me out.
Oh my god, ow. Oh, why is there about 5 people?
Is it just me
This one
who's
guy.
on this fire?
Jesus. Oh my god.
What I really wanted to do was that.
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah. It's got a massive hammer, look. Now let's go show them who's what. This one here. Go. Come on, Wolf. Oh my god, I
Where
just...
that goddamn hell's fire? Where the hell is this humongous? I wonder where the humongous fire is. What the firefighters do when there's a bunch of flame everywhere. Oh, it's called like stop coughing. Okay, like half of this building is non-flammable, so it ain't even really that hard to get in. Never mind. Oh, no, it's all rigged and stuff. So it's just like you trying to... It's like you trying to burn a building which has water, it's submerged in water before you try burning them. Like that. I just need to do these little bits here and then break down into here real quick.
Wolf, look, grab one of the tools here, yeah? I think we have to load this gun up here.
Just that.
Then we pop it.
I might just set out close to this though. Like that. So keep doing it. Oh god, that's so cheesy. Since the last one I won slash lost, so I'm cheesing. Not cheese. Anyway. Thank you.
Oh, I shot one.
Hey, don't open doors if you have a fire hydrant thing. Just blow them open. Just make sure I put out all the fire. Yep, okay, let's spawn in a person, act like they're the owner of the building and say a ridiculous prize and then shoot them in the head when they say hell no. Yeah, let's spawn them on the
We're
roof.
knocking down that door.
For
Way
no
down here.
apparent reason at all.
How would you manage that?
So, the price, yes. 440,000. Hell no, okay.
Oh my god. No, you're lying.
Oh.
Oh my god,
I'm
fine.
Did you survive that? You did? Okay.
Oh my god, it's like 2 shots.
And let's watch. Perfect.
Yeah.
So, are you still in talking terms or not? Not? Okay. How did he survive that? He's coughing, so he survived.
I registered. I died when I registered.
Surely, he did not make the death sound. Oh my.
Oh, Ren. We won!
I'm holding him, I'm going to. Run, 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 run. I think he's dead. Anyway, bye bye.